This is a 1956 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe typewriter. It has been refurbished. It is in near mint condition, and it is ready to type. This beautiful dark green Olympia typewriter is in near mint condition. Everything works as it should, and it types really nice. It's got a fast, snappy action. The finish is in great shape. There's a few blemishes here and there. The lid has some scuffs on it. There's a little mark here that barely shows up. And there's a little scuff. It's very near mint condition. Even the back of it looks really nice. This is a little faded. This typewriter comes with a reprinted user's manual and its original case, which is in good condition. It has been cleaned and it is solid and it does latch well. It does have some scuffs and marks on it. And the inside has some bare spots. And some stains. It's a 1956 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe.